Duduzane Zuma has called on South Africans to recognize what he believes are his father Jacob Zuma's contributions to the country, arguing that the former president has played a role in preventing social unrest and guiding communities through periods of political and economic uncertainty. Speaking at a recent BizNews conference, Duduzane said many South Africans continue to look to his father for leadership and guidance, particularly as an elder and statesman, and that a lot of people look to him for guidance, for leadership, as a statesman, as an elder in the community. He claimed that Zuma had helped prevent potential revolts by urging people to remain patient and assuring them that the country will eventually overcome its challenges. According to Duduzane, his father had also created opportunities for Black South Africans and continued to believe he had a role to play in the country's political future, and that he is here to do it once again, and we should hope that he will be here for a much longer time. Duduzane's comments come as his political profile within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party continues to grow. He was recently appointed as his father's first deputy president of the party, amid criticism over the prominent involvement of members of the Zuma family in its leadership structures. Defending his role, Duduzane said his focus was on serving South Africans and advancing what he described as a vision for a better country. I said, I'm here to do my job. That's it. I'm here to create exactly what you think, to create a better country. I'm here to move the country forward. I'm here to make sure that everyone's rights are respected and that everyone has fair opportunity. Despite criticism that the Umkhonto weSizwe Party lacks established political structures, Duduzane expressed confidence in its prospects. He said the party had policies that could reshape South Africa's economic landscape, particularly by addressing the continued concentration of wealth and the legacy of apartheid. Duduzane argued that those controlling the country's wealth needed to meet the victims of apartheid halfway by supporting meaningful economic transformation. He further predicted that the Umkhonto weSizwe Party was well positioned to make significant gains in several municipalities during the upcoming local government elections. The party, he said, would continue expanding its footprint as it prepares for the 2029 general elections. Duduzane's praise of his father comes against the backdrop of the renewed criticism of the former president's legacy. ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula recently accused Zuma of bearing responsibility for state capture and the large-scale looting for state resources during his presidency. Mbalula also criticized Zuma over his recent trip to India to visit one of the Gupta brothers, despite members of the Gupta family being wanted in South Africa. The Gupta family's close relationship with Zuma was a major focus of the state capture inquiry, with Zuma's presidency frequently described by his critics as a period of 9 wasted years. Mbalula said, "We are sitting here, we had the Zondo Commission. Himself, he ran away at lunchtime, and there were riots in this country that cost lives, that harmed our economy." The comments reflect the continuing divide over Zuma's political legacy, with his supporters crediting him for championing the interest of historically disadvantaged South Africans, while his critics hold his administration responsible for deep institutional and economic damage. Political analyst Ntsikelelo Breakfast has warned that Duduzane faces a significant challenge if he hopes to eventually succeed his father as a leader of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Breakfast said political leadership required more than family connections and will take time to develop, and said politics is a different kettle of fish, arguing that Duduzane will need to develop a deeper understanding of political landscape and demonstrate a clear and coherent political position. And said, "I have never heard him articulating a particular view coherently." Duduzane's growing role in the MK party nevertheless places him increasingly at the center of South Africa's opposition politics, as the party seeks to translate its growing support into electoral gains and establish itself as a serious political force ahead of the 2029 elections. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.